Hey, it's Yo Mama Mish, and we're in the kitchen making Galactic or Galaxy ice cream. So the ingredients that we need are, we need some food coloring, maybe some gel colors, or a whole bottle of this, or 2 cups. You'll need a whole can of this, and you'll need about a tablespoon of this guy. So first you'll put your heavy whipping cream into your bowl and swing it around here and let it whip in the mixer on a medium speed. I have mine right now at about between 2 and 4 occasionally, and have it whip approximately about maybe 5+ minutes or so, just until it starts to get a little bit thick, a little bit creamy on the edge of your mixer. And let's see you whip it, bum, ba-dum, 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 yes. That's what we're looking for, yes. All right, and next you'll pour in your sweetened condensed milk. So we have our sweetened condensed milk, we have our vanilla extract, and we're gonna roll them one more time, this time for a more brief period, about 1.5 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna pour. First pour here, and here is the second. Okay, now that we have our 3 colors of purple, blue, and we'll call it alien green here. Probably put a couple more dabs. Then we're going to transfer our green first into our bowl here, followed by a plop of blue and a plop of purple, and then we'll kind of scatter them all around here. All right, so I'm going to use a kebab, but if you don't have one, feel free to use a straw, toothpick, or something like that. And then we're just going to take our advice and go up and down and up and down. Swirl it around, swirl it around. Oh, and I found these pretty cool sprinkles. I don't have the cute silver ones that the YouTube video had, but I'm going to try these out. Just to drizzle it. Put it on half of it, just in case. Doesn't turn out well, but ooh, looks almost fairyish. And put it in the freezer overnight, and we'll check it tomorrow. Or if you want to wait 4 to 6 hours, you can try that too.
It tastes like sprinkles and a regular cookie and some juice inside and a caramel taste.
Hey, hit that subscribe button.